If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To split a single PDF into multiple PDFs in Acrobat, first open the PDF to split. Then click the Organize Pages tool in the All Tools panel to show the Organize Pages view of the PDF in Acrobat. The Organize Pages view in Acrobat shows thumbnail images of the PDF's pages in the main document window. Next, click the Split button in the Page Options section of the Organize Pages panel in Acrobat to show a side menu of PDF splitting options. To choose how to split the PDF in Acrobat, select the desired choice from the Split By drop-down in the side menu. You can split a PDF by a number of pages, file size, or top-level bookmarks. If you select Number of Pages, enter the maximum number of pages for the new PDFs into the Pages field. If you select File Size, enter the maximum size for new PDFs in megabytes into the MB field. To set the output options for the new PDFs, click the Output Options button in the side menu to open the Output Options dialog box. To save the new PDFs into the same folder as the original PDF, select the Same Folder Selected at Start option in the Target Folder section. Alternatively, to choose an output folder for the new PDFs, select the A Folder on My Computer option, and then click the Browse button to open a Browse for Folder dialog box, where you can then select a folder to use, and then click the OK button to set it as the new target folder for the new PDFs you create. To name the new PDFs from the existing bookmark names, if you are creating new PDFs from top-level bookmarks, you can select the Use Bookmark Names for File Names option in the File Labeling section. Alternatively, select whether to add a label and number either before or after the file name by selecting the desired option button in this same section. If needed to use a label, check the Use Label checkbox and then enter the label into its adjacent field. To use a separator character between the original name and label, check the Use Separator Between Original Name and Label checkbox and then enter the character to use into the adjacent field. To make sure you do not overwrite an existing PDF, check the Do Not Overwrite Existing Files checkbox. To confirm the split PDF options, click the OK button in the Output Options dialog box. Then, click the Split button in the side menu to split the selected PDF into multiple smaller PDFs. When the operation is finished, a message box appears to tell you the document is split and shows you how many new PDFs it created. Alternatively, to split multiple PDF files into multiple other PDF files in Acrobat, click the Split Multiple Files button in the Split Buttons side menu to instead open the Split Documents dialog box. This dialog box lets you add multiple PDF files to split using the same settings shown in the Split Buttons side menu. To add PDF files to the Split Multiple Files dialog box, click the Add Files drop-down button and then select a command to use to add the files to the list shown in the Split Documents dialog box. To add individual PDF files to split, select the Add Files command in the drop-down menu to open an Add Files dialog box, which you use to find and select the files to split. Then click the Open button in the dialog box to add them to the list in the Split Documents dialog box. Alternatively, to add all PDF files within a selected folder to the list in the Split Documents dialog box, Choose the Add Folders command to open the Browse for Folder dialog box, where you can select a folder and then click the OK button. Alternatively, to add opened files in Acrobat to Split, choose the Add Open Files command to show an Open PDF Files dialog box. Then select the names of the currently opened PDFs to add to the list, and click the Add Files button. To remove a file from the list of multiple PDF files to split within the Split Documents dialog box, click the file's name to select it, and then click the Remove button at the bottom of the list. To finish and split the PDF files, click the OK button to split the PDF files shown in this dialog box using the Settings in the Split button's side menu of splitting options. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.